Hi, I'm Mrs. Gochin, the Media Specialist at William Annan Middle School. In this video, I will demonstrate how to enter a citation for an image into NoodleTools. Just like text, images, which could be in the form of photographs, illustrations, or graphic images, are created and owned by the particular person or organization. Fair use laws allow us to use these images for educational purposes, but we still must cite it, just like database articles, books, or web pages. Otherwise, you are telling everyone that the image is yours and that you created and own it. Giving credit to the creator of the image is important. If you are not already logged into NoodleTools and haven't yet created a project for your research assignment, please pause the video and do so now. So let's find an image to use in your final presentation and then cite it. Open a Google Chrome browser tab, and then using your great keywords and the Google image search, right here, search for an image. Make sure your image is school appropriate. Pause the video now until you have found an image that you'd like. Remember that you must go to the actual web page that the image is on to cite it, not the Google search page that displays images for your search. So first I'll choose my image, and I think I'll choose this one. And you'll see I'm still on Google. I have not gone to the web page the image is on yet. To do that, I must click the Visit Page button. So click that, and that will take you to the web page. Let me just pause this video here. There we go. So this is the page where my image actually is. And it is the ABC News web page. And it is part of an article about pandas at the San Diego Zoo. Okay, so now that we have our image, let's go back to NoodleTools and begin entering a citation for this image. After you log into NoodleTools, you must first open the project you wish to put this citation into by clicking on your project name. Once you are on the project dashboard, click on the Sources tab, just like we did for database articles and web pages and books. And on this MLA Works Cited screen, we will click the green Create New Citation button. And then we answer the two questions about what you are citing. First question asks, where is this? Where is it? And we're going to select website because we got the image from a website. And then the second question, what is it? In this case, it's a photo or image born digital, meaning it was posted on the internet, not originally published in a book or a magazine or a newspaper. Now we are on the citation entry screen for this image. The first section asks for information about the website, and the second section about the image itself. The first field we need to fill in is the name of container website. That is the website where our image was found. If we go back here, the name of my website, you can usually find it in the top left corner of the web page. If you don't see it there, click a home page, go to the home page for the website, and that will have the website name. So in my case, the website name is ABC News. I'll go back to NoodleTools, and I'll type in ABC News. Now the next field, publisher of the site, notice the note that NoodleTools gives us. It says look for a copyright statement. Remember, publisher or organization is found at the bottom of the screen near the copyright. But it also says leave this field blank if the publisher's name is the same as the site name or is already given as the author. So let's go see what our organization or publisher name is for this web page. So you'd scroll all the way to the bottom, look for the copyright, and in my case it's ABC News Internet Ventures. So it is very similar. In this case I could leave it blank, or I could type in ABC News Internet Ventures because it is slightly different from the name of the website. So to play it safe, that's what I'm going to do. ABC News, Internet Ventures. So do the same for yours. Look and see if your publisher's name is the same as the website name. Just leave this field blank. Okay, the next field is URL. That's easy to do. We go back to our web page. I'll just scroll back to my picture. Up at the top, you'll simply select that address, copy it with a Control-C, go over to NoodleTools, and paste it right in. Okay, the next field, date of publication. This is the date the image was published on the web page. Since this is a news article web page, the date that the image was published is the same as the date for the article, which is January 10th, 2013, unless there is a specific date somewhere in, on, below the image. In my case, there isn't, so I will use that January 10th date. So date of publication, January, I'll use the 10th, 2013. All right, and you put in whatever date yours is. The next field, most recent date of access, that would be today, the day that you found this image. For me, that date is January 11th. You can put in whatever today's date is for you. And the year is 2017 for me. Okay, so now we have all the website information. We just need to give a couple of bits of information about our image. The first thing is the artist, that's the creator of the image or photo. So now we would look for an author, and if I go back to my image and I scroll up, I see there is an author for the article, but that doesn't mean that is the artist or creator of the image, and usually it isn't. If I look at the image, oftentimes there will be a name in, on, or around the image. For my image, it's Ken Bone. If you do not see an artist or creator's name, then just leave it blank. Okay, whoop. There we go. So I have my first name, last name. I left my middle name blank because he did not have one. Okay, the next field, and this is a required field, type of image. So I need to identify the type. In my case, it's a photograph, but it could be an illustration, which is a drawing, or an image, which would be a graphic image or an animated graphic image. So I will select photograph. And now the next field is the title of the image, in my case, a photograph. Many photographs do not have a title. Let's take a look and see if mine does. And I look around and no, there is no title there. So let's see what NoodleTools tells us to do. Well, it has a box that says Untitled. So if there is no title, you check the Untitled box and then provide a description of the image. So I will select Untitled, and now I'll provide a description. When I click into Title of Photograph box, NoodleTools again helps me and says, if providing a description of the work, capitalize the words as you would a normal English sentence. So that means I'll only be capitalizing the first word and any proper nouns in the sentence. So I'm going to call my image Panda Cub Chewing on a Leaf, because that describes what he's doing. Okay, and now we're done. We filled in all the information to describe this image. So now I'll click the Submit button, and NoodleTools will generate this citation in MLA format. You'll see right here. And this information will remain in NoodleTools in this project after you log off. Now that you know why and how to enter image citation information, don't forget to include these citations whenever you use images from the internet. Good luck with your citations, and thanks for watching.